Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this text with a rainbow background like you see on the screen. We'll go ahead and start out on the edit page. Go to media pool, right click, new fusion comp. You can name it if you'd like, but you don't have to. Go ahead and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to fusion. Start with the background. Turn the alpha all the way down. Go to type. Select gradient. The second one, just click on it. It'll make a little diamond. You can add a different color. You can move those around too, or put as many as you like in. Come down here to offset. Right click. Modify width. Anim curves. Now we'll give it a play. It's set to once. Select ping pong. We're going to have all these settings in the macro, but for the default settings, I'm going to select the gradient type, angle. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. Put the background selected. Select the merge and a text. Put the text you're liking in. Pick whatever settings you want, whatever font. This will just be for the default settings. Select the text node. Shift space and drop shadow. Then grab a rectangle. Select the merge. Add another one. Another background. Select the rectangle. Deselect the solid. Set the border width. I'm going to go 0.025. Set yours to your liking. Go to the background. And we'll change the color. Go back to the rectangle. Take the width and the height all the way up. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Hit A on the keyboard. Hold the control button down. Deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Got a little carried away there. In front of color, put border. This is background 1. Delete scale and put in speed. Go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Titles. Here's where you're going to want to make your folder, put your preset in. I recommend name it different. If it's exactly the same, Resolve won't recognize it. Put an underscore or something in. Hit save, and we'll go look for it. If you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. And if you click on it, go to the inspector. You have everything you need. The speed down here. That's where if you lengthen it, the speed of the movement will move slower. Just adjust it accordingly. And gradient type. You have these options as well. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.